Hi, I'm Grant Garcia, one of the sports knee surgeons here. Today we're going to show a testimonial of a patient, a 16-year-old, and you'll see the story, but basically had a number of opinions, continued medial knee pain, swelling for over 5 years. Pretty active and good baseball player, and really wasn't able to do anything and had significant jeopardy of his sort of normal ADLs as a result of this knee issue. Was found to have an unstable osteochondritis dissecans, or a cartilage injury to his knee that he's essentially born with and gets progressively worse. We found that it needed to have surgery done, so we actually went in there. We were able to clean up the area that was diseased and actually fix his cartilage and save him from eventually needing a cartilage transplant, etc. And you're going to see his results and his experience as well as his mom's experience with this. Thanks.
When we first started talking about my knee situation, I was coming with a lot of frustration and pain from past sufferings, and we didn't jump straight to the surgery standpoint right away. It took a little bit of time, a few visits to get to that point. And after each visit, I kept feeling more and more confident that I get my issue resolved, because I've never had it resolved before, and I felt really confident that my issue would be fixed. Yeah, I had a lot of pain on the inside of my kneecap. I couldn't do a lot of things like bending and putting pressure on my knee without a lot of pain. I couldn't play the sports like baseball that I love without a lot of pain. So pretty much in every aspect, I couldn't walk down the stairs without a lot of pain. I couldn't go up the stairs without a lot of pain. Just little things like that were really hard to do. So before having my surgery, I've never had a doctor so upfront with me about my condition, and so telling me all the details. I've never heard so much about my knee than with Dr. Garcia.
What is your satisfaction on your outcome after surgery? How are you feeling?
I mean, I'm ecstatic. I can do everything that I've ever wanted to. I can get back to baseball. I can go do little things that I never have been, without pain before. I can just go out with my friends and have fun now, and not have to worry about doing this or putting too much pressure on my knee, and I can just do what I love and have fun.
How was your experience with us from a parent's perspective?
Well, this has been a very emotional journey, and it's been a long journey with Danny for sure. So between misdiagnoses and whatnot before we came here, this was the first time that I saw a doctor discussing with Danny and myself exactly what the situation was, clearly what our options were, and what the newest cutting edge technology and everything out there was for us to think about. And it was just very honest and open, and I just remember that day it being that was an emotionally charged day, because Danny was excited for the first time, and it had been years of pain. And so we've felt very good about every visit, and super happy that we have Dr. Garcia to work with.